Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to muffle sound in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go and see how to get started with muffling our sound. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. After opening up audio recorder, this is going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen you have this big red circle that's going to enable you to start recording and so on. And once you're finished with your recordings, you want to go into the upper left corner right here and click this middle button. This is going to open up this edit mode. In this edit mode option, we can find all the tracks we have and that we can access, such as our drums, keyboard, and audio record. And now let's say I want to add the muffled sound effect to my audio recording. This is what I have to do. Basically guys, if you know how muffling works, you're going to be using the automation option for it. So to open up automation, you want to go click the icon of the instrument next to the track and click automation in this new menu that appears. So this is going to open up the automation bar. So basically, if you need more instructions on how to get the muffled sound effect, this is going to take too long, but you have your steps detailed on the internet. So you can go ahead and Google it. Basically, you'll need to open up automation option right here and get started with adding the desired effects. So if you know how to play around with automation, this is how to do it. As you can see, you can reduce the automation wherever you want using the pencil, and you can reduce sound to whatever you need it. Basically, go ahead and get started, be creative with it, and get your desired effect so that you can go ahead and get that muffled sound effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.